What does this mean? By the way, what does this mean? Oh my God, what does this mean? You only live once. And this? Shaking my head. And what about this? I don't care. What does this mean? I love you. What does this mean? You too. What does this mean? To be honest. What does this mean? Tomorrow. What does this mean? Before. What does this mean? See you. What does this mean? Busy. Catch you later.